my channel. Is Blowing Coupons. So today, y'all, I went to Dollar General. Yes, I haven't been to Dollar General in so long. So I went into Dollar General for their 5 off 25 deal. So everything was digital. So this is an all digital haul at the Dollar General. So let's get started. First, before I get started on this Dollar General smile haul, please like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. I'm trying to get to, what I'm trying to get to? I'm trying to get to 1,000 subscribers. This is my new couponing channel. I had one named Beauty Passion, but I took all my couponing content off there and I put it on Blowing Coupons because we blow coupons over here and not money, honey. Yes. All right. So this Dollar General haul was great. So everything was digital again. We're going to start with the first item. What's out my receipt? Well, let me see what my receipt's saying over here. All right. So we're going to start the Dow. The Dow was buy one, get one free. Now, I don't have this scent, Silk and Sea Berry. Yeah, that's new. I didn't even smell it, so I hope it's okay. So buy one, get one free. These are $4. This one was free. And then that was it. So $4 right there. Nothing special. Let me know if you all know if that's on any of those apps, rebate apps. I'm going to check in a minute. I didn't even check to see if I have any rebates for them, but I'll check in a minute. All right, so Tide. The Tide was $4.95 on sale for $2.95 if you had the digital coupon. Well, if you had you sent it to your digital account, it rang up $2.95. And then we had a $2 off coupon that came in our PG for October. So made the Tide Pods 95 cents. 95 cents. All right, then the next thing we got was this discreet liners. Yeah, I don't know. They were almost free, so I got them. So the discreet liners were $3. And my digital coupon for the discreet took off $2. So $3 take off $2 makes the always discreet $1. The game fireworks. The game fireworks, let me see. The game fireworks were $3.95. And then I had a digital coupon for $2. So $3.95 minus $2, making my out-of-pocket $1.95 for the Game Fabric Enhancer Fireworks. The Clorox, this glitched. So the Clorox they're $1 a piece. And then the store coupon actually glitched for the Clorox wipes. So it took off another $1. So it's basically buy one, get one free for the Clorox wipes. Buy one, get one free. And then the last thing I got in my little small haul for Dollar General was these Chic Classic Sensitive Razors. They're $4. We have a $3 digital coupon. So it took off $3, making my out-of-pocket $1 for the razors. All right, let me show y'all my receipt. All right, so here's my receipt for my Dollar General haul. All right, so my out-of-pocket was $6.90, y'all. $6.90. $6.90 out of pocket. So far, I only uploaded my receipt to Ibotta. So I got a quarter back with Ibotta. I think I sent a quarter. Yep, a quarter. No. Fetch Rewards. Fetch Rewards gave me back a quarter. So my final out of pocket so far, because I haven't uploaded it to, I checked on Ibotta. I didn't see any rebates for Ibotta. I haven't uploaded to Shopkick or Saving Star, so I'm gonna check those in a second. If we do have rebates for those two apps, I'm gonna put up the rebates that came up. If not, then my final out of pocket for my Dollar General haul is My final out of pocket for my Dollar General haul will be $6.65. Who better? Who better? Ain't nobody better than me at blowing coupons. Yes, $6.65 for my Dollar General haul. All right, y'all, I'm couponing today, honey. I'm couponing. So after this Dollar General haul, I'm going to do my last little things I didn't get from CVS. And I'm going to try to end it at Walmart and do a Walmart I bought a haul. Let's go. It's Coupon Saturday. Yes. All right. Thank you all for watching. Get to Dollar General. You have until, I think the latest Dollar General closes 10 o'clock. So you still have time to get to Dollar General and do this all digital deal. You don't even have to clip no coupons. Now, the Dow coupon, you might have to grab your buy one, get one free, because on my other account, that didn't come up. But this account, it came up on. So make sure you go and download your buy one, get one free coupon for the Dow. All right, on to the next store. See you in the next video. Hecky no, Joe is blowing coupons, and I'm out.